Many years ago when I started photography and videography, I got to the point that I realized there is something wrong with me, with my knowledge. I was looking at other photographers' work and I was using the same camera, but I wouldn't get the same result because I didn't understand one thing, the only secret they had, and it was lighting. RedPhotographers.com, Peter here guys with another episode about lighting, my favorite topic to talk about because we all need to perfect it. First, you go buy the high-end camera that you want to buy. You're imagining to get a lot of clients. Then you feel like, oh, I need more lenses. You go buy more lenses. Other people out there are offering different quality. Why their video looks different? What is wrong with me? You definitely ask this question of yourself, like me asked myself many years ago. I didn't get the lighting. Why people use flash? And if you control the light, how it's gonna change the whole photography game that you have in your mind? How ambient light can change the whole story. I want to tell you about some tools that you need if you are doing flash photography in order to provide a better quality for your clients and do better. First thing you need to get, if you're into studio photography, product photography, or even portraiture, fashion, nude, you need to get Snoot. Snoot totally can control the light beam to what you want. Sometimes I use these kind of snoots that I can totally zoom and even give my light different shape. Sometimes I use this kind of snoot in order to change the color with the gels that I can put in front of the element of my snoot. Second gear you need to get is Honeycomb. So just know that most of the snoots, they come with Honeycomb. Most of the beauty dishes and soft boxes, they come with grit or Honeycomb. Honeycombs is another way to make your light very concentrated and control the light. They come with different angles from 15 to 60 degree. If you're a wedding photographer and you just directly try to light up your subject, that is the worst way. That's why you get those kind of specular highlight on your photo. You need to use a bounce cards or dome diffusers. If you haven't watched my video about the whole package and the gear that Godox right now is offering for your speedlite, go and check it out. I put the link in the description. It's gonna give you a lot of information. Let's come back to studio and talk about barn doors. Barn doors are very important, especially in videography. But you can almost do whatever you want with barn doors. You can really shape the light and control the light beam to whatever you prefer to have in your shot. Last way of controlling light definitely is your camera setting. But if you're out there shooting by the beach or you're outdoor photographer shooting outside, you gotta get one of those 5-in-1 reflectors that you can block the light, you can diffuse the light, and you can reflect to light from the sun or the source of light that you have. If you need at night, you can totally change the direction of the light and get that field light to your key light, or you can block the light. Now, these are the ways that I thought it is great to share with you in order to control the light. And if you're into free learning, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comment section. What are your ways of controlling the light in photography and videography? Thanks for watching this video. I catch up with you in the next one.